everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
Hello guys, we have a small project here on portable conveyor. They use this for the reprinting the pipe table. So we have problem about the drives is missing cover. They assigned to me to fix it. If I can change the cover only, or better replace the drive. But if I replace the drive, the screw here is damaged, so I think better change the drive. This motor is DC. That motor of the gearbox is 12 to 90 volts DC. Speed controller is here, new one now here. I think better change new one because the bolt here is lost thread. I don't know why. Maybe because it's when they are moving. Okay, now I need to remove this one here. Screw. One screw. If it's fit. Okay, screw is there. And let's see, open the cover. Yeah. Now open the cover. Okay, so that means this drive is similar to here, same. I think this drive is still good, but the problem is bolt here is lost thread to the bolt, so better change new one because this one here is speed control. Okay, and let's try if it's fit. Yeah, it's fit. Okay, it's fit, but better change the drive because the holder here. Okay, take new one. Keep this for the spare. I don't know why missing. Then need to disconnect the wire. So the wire here is, this is the supply wire, line 1, line 2, and this is A1, A2 is armature. This for DC board, positive, negative. Just in case reverse, just change the wire here. Okay, same here. So black and white is 110 volt supply because the set point is here, set to 110 volts. So here is set to 220 supply. So we need to adjust this one to 110 volts. Slide. Okay, now 110 volts. Okay, you can plug in for 110 volts only. Double check. Yeah, 115 volts. Okay, now you have to disconnect the wire and mounting and replace the new drive. Okay, I disconnect the wire already. This is the line 1 and line 2 110 volts terminal, and this one here is negative, positive for DC board supply going to the motor because 110 volts only here, and this is with controller DC board, right? So I need more 4 volt here, and then it's done. Okay, I need my one hand to remove. Then I install this new one. Okay, I installed the new one now here. This is the new drive, speed control. Now I notice this fuse is missing here for DC board, so I have to here I have a fuse for 110 volts. So now this is the old one here, the missing speed control here. So fuse is here, so we need to take this one here out and just squeeze with the screwdriver here, then pull out. That's it. This fuse is for here. It will click. Okay, press. That's it. Okay, this off. Double check is already set to 115 volts on 0 speed. Okay, Now this is for positive negative for the DC volts. Just in case reverse, upside down return. This line 1, line 2, 110 volts or 220 volts. So 110 volt is gonna use. So line 1 is black, white here. So it was here same white wire and black here for the DC supply for DC motor, right? Okay. First, I have to connect the remove this lock here. Press. There's a lock here. Okay, now pull down. The hole is here. One more here. Okay. Now I have camera now. There's a plug inside. You put lock out. So this is for 110 volts, right? So first we're gonna connect this one here. Line 1 is black. Make tight. Okay. Alright. And then line 2 is white. Okay. Make sure tight. And then okay. Then white is negative. Alright. And this green is connect together here. Green is a ground. We need to connect together here. The ground is required to connect together, just in case. Sometimes you don't need to use the gloves. It's hard to hold the bolt. Yeah, easy. Okay. Alright, beautiful. Now go over here to the terminal. Okay. Next, go forward to double check 110 volts. Alright. Use okay. Power okay. Alright. So the bolt here. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. This drive is no need to program, just only to set up. Alright. Thank you for watching.